हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। अगर पिछले वाला सभी वीडियो मेरा देख चुके हैं, सभी स्टैचू अगर देख चुके हैं, अगर उसमें आप कुछ कमेंट करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हैं। और मेरा चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए, जिसमें आप नया वीडियो देखने का मौका मिलेंगे आपको। और आज का वीडियो में मैं बनाने जा रहा हूँ श्रीयुक्त नरेंद्र मोदी, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर, हमारा भारत का प्रधानमंत्री, उनके स्टैचू में आज बनाने जा रहा हूँ। अगर ये स्टैचू आपको अच्छा लगा, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए मेरा चैनल को और मेरा वीडियो को कमेंट दे दीजिए। अगर उसमें 100% अच्छा लग रहा है तो कमेंट दीजिए, और कुछ मिस्टेक देखते हैं इस वीडियो में या किसी काम पे, प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट भी कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स।
Okay, now my work is going to start. First take position of the measurement and what the position of eye, nose, lips, ears and hair. Every position follow from the photos. According to the position, all measurement lining you drag, then you observe 100%, then start project. A maximum portion of observation is depend upon your photo positions and leaving some soils at the peak point of your position, like nose tips, leaves, beard, everything else. So observation must have importance in this case. So this project is going onward. Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister of India. So I want to describe something about Narendra Modi sir. He is a brilliant Prime Minister in our India now. So I want to describe some stories about him. Narendra Damodar Das Modi was born in 17 September 1950. Is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi. Modi is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) and it is the National Democratic Alliance (NDA). He is also member of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS), a Hindu nationalist volunteer organization. He is the first Prime Minister born after India's independence in 1947, the second non-Congress one to the win two consecutive terms after Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and the first from outside the Congress to win both terms with a majority in the Lok Sabha. Born and raised in Bhadnagar, a small town in northeast Gujarat, Modi completed his secondary education there and is said to have helped his father sell tea at the local railway station. He was introduced to the RSS at age 88. Modi left home at age 18 soon after his marriage to Jashoda Ben Chamanlal, which he publicly acknowledged many decades later. Modi has asserted that he travelled around India for 2 years, visiting a number of religious centers. Upon his returns to Gujarat in 1971, he became a full-time worker for the RSS. During the state of emergency imposed across the country in 1975, Modi went into hiding. The RSS assigned him to the BJP in 1985, and he held several positions within the party hierarchy until 2001, rising to the rank of a general secretary. Modi was appointed Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2001 due to Keshubhai Patel's falling health and poor public image following the earthquake in Bhuj. Modi was elected to the Legislative Assembly soon after. His administration has been considered complicit in the 2002 Gujarat riots, or otherwise criticized for its handling of it. A Supreme Court appointed a special investigation team found no evidence to initiate prosecution proceedings against Modi personally. His policies as Chief Minister, credited with encouraging economic growth, have received praise. His administration has been criticized for failing to significantly improve health, poverty, education indices in the state. Modi led the BJP in the 2014 general election, which gave the party a majority in the India lower house of the parliament. The Lok Sabha, the first time for any single party since 1984, Modi's administration has tried to raise foreign direct investment in the Indian economy and reduce spending on healthcare and social welfare programs. Modi has attempted to improve efficiency in the bureaucracy. He has centralized power by abolishing the Planning Commission. He began a high-profile sanitation campaign, initiated a controversial demonetization of high denomination banknotes and weakened or abolished environment and labor laws. Under Modi's tenure, India has experienced democratic backsliding. Following his party's victory in the 2019 general election, his administration revoked the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. His administration also introduced the Citizenship Amendment Act, which resulted in widespread protest across the country. Described as engineering a political realignment toward right-wing politics, Modi remained a figure of controversy domestically and internationally over his Hindu nationalist beliefs and his alleged role during the 2002 Gujarat riots, cited as evidence of an inclusionary social agendas. So this is the small story about Srijukta Narendra Modi sir, and he is also a popular Indian Prime Minister in our democratic India. He has a good personalities, to good relation with other countries also. Okay. So those were some bright stories about Narendra Modi sir. I talking about it. Now I think 100% seen as it is like Narendra Modi sir lives exactly seen like photo, nose, eyeballs, and eyelids, the beard. Mustache is connected with the beard, already accurately seen it. Just lapping some drag lining in this beard. Cheeks also seen the smiling as like as photos. And the previous work what I made the goggle, the chashma about Narendra Modi sir. this is not accurate, but in soil I made it accurately. Try my best. Maximum portion of this photos I observe 100% according to the position of all the parts, all the leaves of the face, and in the statutory directions, just I made it as per real face of Narendra Modi sir. I think 90% is accurately seen as Narendra Modi sir. I think there are some mismatches. I cannot found the mistakes of what I do in this faces, but still it looks like 100%. There are no doubt. So my dear friends, what all the videos you seen from my channels, that is already maybe some mistake, yeah, maybe some excellent for you. So please comment on the below page of my videos, then I can rectify my work in the futures. And please my dear friends, one comment and please subscribe button press on my channel, and bell icon also press, because the next video, updated video, you can see as soon as possible. So please my dear friend, subscribe my channel. Okay, small mismatch was seen in the right side of the beard portions. Just I separate as the triangular portion of this face. Then it seems something 100%. Leaves, the white flat leaves, accurately seen as Narendra Modi sir's leaves. And I also seen as per the photos, and I think now it is fully completed, my statue. If there are some seen mistakes in face sculpting, please my dear friends comment on the below page of my video.